Is your Facebook page not recommendable due to unoriginal content? In this video, I'm going to show you how you're going to remove unoriginal content and make your page become recommended. You may be wondering why Facebook is not recommending your page, and why are you saying page not recommended due to unoriginal content. Those original content that you post on your Facebook, they are content that is not yours. Maybe you copied it from somewhere, maybe you carried the video from somewhere without you enhancing it. If you want to carry someone video and post in your page, you have to enhance it, put overlay, put brighten, lighten it, and do all sorts of things to make it become your original one. When we talk about putting overlaying, it's like adding your video. You can see in some Facebook page those into reaction this thing. You will see that they will put an overlay, which is their little video on top or in one side, when they will be demonstrating, laughing, or doing all sort of things, depend on the video you are reacting to. Without you doing all those things, Facebook will see it as unoriginal content. And when you have unoriginal content, they're not going to recommend your page at all. Your page will just be there. People will hardly see your videos. You may post a video, then you will see that even to have 100 views is a problem. To have 100 views is a problem. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you are going to resolve it. First of all, how you are going to resolve it is to detect or discover that particular video that is violating Facebook issue, that is causing this unoriginal content, that is making Facebook giving you not recommended due to original content. So when you discover it, you delete it. Make sure you delete all of them that is affecting it. When you delete it, then you have to appeal to Facebook. When you appeal to Facebook, you have to do it, because from there they will show you this review. So when you do review, you have to appeal, tell them some reasons why all those ones there. So when you do that, then you send it, you submit the appeal, and you wait for some time, because this one, all original content, Facebook holds it as a serious crime. So it will take a very long time. I can't lie for you, it's going to take a very long time before Facebook is going to remove that unoriginal content. Your page will be suspended for that period of time. Your views will not be coming, you will not be getting views. Sometimes for a month, it will just be only 20 views that you are getting for a month there. So this is how to resolve unoriginal content. Make sure that you do all those things, and you have to be patient. If you know that you cannot be patient, you have to create another backup page. When you create another backup page, from there be building from a scratch to when this one recover from heat there. So they're going to suspend your account sometimes 90 days, sometimes 60 days, depend on how serious it is. If it is only a few videos that violate their stuff, it's going to be 60 days, 90 days, 30 days. That is it there. So, but if it's a serious issue, very, very serious, that all your own page violated their all your own videos violated their policy, sometimes it takes up to 1 year, like what some people have experienced, takes up to 1 year before it can be resolved on it there. So this is how to resolve on original content. Make sure you always post your original content, and if you want to carry someone content, try and enhance it. And also, there are some people that have a right manager, so be careful of whosoever video that you are carrying to be posting. Make sure you are not carrying someone video that have right manager. So this is how it is. Please, if you